Okay, and then I am testing that how easily these cars, these rear areas, glass damage. And now we have excellent high quality Toyota's windshield, what is the best in class. And first I hit like that heavy metallic part in here, and let's look at what happens in there. It is very durable, no any scratch, but then I use my hammer, and what happens then? Let's look. Okay, this is huge durable. Okay, and now it goes broken. That means that this area is in here. It goes in small particles, this back area, and that was interesting test. And thank you for watching, and have a nice day to you. Okay, hello my friend, and how are you doing? And then I am planning to do test that how easily this windshield glass goes broken. And now I have excellent example, and this is this Toyota Camry's windshield. And first I test that can I damage this windshield if I throw some heavy item against this windshield glass. And let's look. And there is this thing, and now I think that I have like big choque. This is quite heavy, and I throw that in that position in here, in this way. Okay, and this was quite painful because there came this hit. Okay, and this means that this part is quite easy to damage. And then I test that how about then if I use standard hammer in here, that how easily it makes this damage. And because this is front glass, there is only this hammer hit. And then I test that again. Let's look in same area. Only third hit goes through, and this is really durable glass. Okay, and then we continue.